Hello and thanks for watching Gary Teaches Maths. I'm continuing to go through the Edexcel Higher Tier Paper 3 from 2019, and this is a calculator paper. So we're on question 3. So this is a question about the heights of plants, and it's a frequency table question. And we've got to find the class interval that contains the median in this case. So the median is actually the middle value. So what this table means, just to explain a little bit about the table, what we've got is the group on the left hand side. So this group here contains any plants which have a height that is between 10 and 20 centimeters. So it's saying that h, which is a height, is actually greater than 10 but less than or equal to 20 in this first group. And so in the second group, it's saying greater than 20, but less than or equal to 30. And the reason for the difference is if we had a plant that was exactly 20 centimeters in height, we might be confused as to which group we'd put it into. Would we put it into this one, or would we put it into this one? Well, because this is greater than or equal to, or actually the height is less than in this case, or equal to, so it's got the equal to bit there, then we're actually saying that the 20 would go in this group, but not in this group, because actually the height has got to be greater than 20 for this one. So it's saying the frequency is telling us how many plants were in each one of these groups. So we're being told that there were 7 plants that were in the group 10 to 20. So what we've got to do is find the middle value. And what that means is we would add up all the frequencies, and so that gives us the total number of plants. We can see actually if we did add it up, we would get to 80 here. So if we add 7, 13, 14, 12, 6 and 18 together, we actually do get 80 as a total. So we're looking for the group that contains the middle plant. So if we've got 80 plants, then the middle is dividing 80 by 2, it actually gives us 40. So the 40th value is the middle one. And we need to find out which group contains the 40th plant. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a cumulative frequency here, cumulative frequency. So we can see that there was 7 plants in the first group, but then if we add these two groups together, the 7 and the 13, we actually get 20. So it means that the first 20 plants were in the first and second groups. If we then add the next one on, so 20 plus 14 will give us 34. So we're still not up to this 40th value. We're keeping going until we actually get to 40 or above. So if we add the next one on, we'll get 12 plus the 34, which will give us 46. And now we can see that we've gone beyond 40. And because we've gone beyond 40, we know that the 40th value must actually be in this group. So somewhere between 40 and 50, we have the middle value of the 40th one, because we've gone beyond 40 here. So we can write that down as the class interval, and the answer would be written as this one, as 40 is less than h, and h is less than or equal to 50. So that is the median group, or the median class interval, we could also say. So now we're going to draw the frequency polygon for the information in the table. And what we need for this one is we're looking for the midpoint of each group. So we could actually add another bar to this, another column to this table. So the midpoint of the group. So the midpoint for this first group, halfway between 10 and 20, is 15. And then keep going, halfway between 20 and 30 is 25. Halfway between 30 and 40 is 35. etc. So we can fill that in there, this midpoint column. And now what we're doing is we're plotting the midpoint in height against the frequency. So the first point we're going to plot would be at 15 and 7. So where that's going to be is here. So we can see that point would be 15 there. And actually, we can see that we're going up 2 of these smallest squares is actually equal to 1 on the frequency. So we've got 6, 7, 8, and 9, roughly speaking. So that's where that first point here will be plotted, 7 versus 15. And then we'll keep going. So 25 against 13. So 25, and now 13 would be there. And then we've got 35 against 14. So 35 against 14 would be there. And the next one, 45 against 12. So 45 against 12, which is going to be there. 55 against 16 is going to be there. And 65 against 18 is going to be there. And now, because it's a polygon, we know that what we need to do is join these points up with straight lines. So it's not a curve we're drawing. A polygon is actually a straight-sided shape. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to join these crosses we put on the graph up by straight lines. So that's very important. So there we go. We just join them up. And that is our frequency polygon. So we've completed that. So I hope that's been helpful to you. If it has been, please like our video and subscribe to our channel, which is Gary Teaches Maths, and you can hit the subscribe button at the bottom. And also visit our website, which is bestmathstutors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.